Today I'm going to prepare for you some barbecue chicken in the Instant Pot here. Okay, so let me get started. Barbecue chicken in my Instant Pot, and I will be using the low carb tortillas today. Sugar-free barbecue, mustard, and salt. And so let me get started. One more cup of water. That's the second cup of water. I'm going to add just a little mustard. There's not much in there. I would say less than a half a teaspoon of mustard because there's not that much in it. It'll give it that little tangy taste that I like in my barbecue. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 cup of barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna rinse out each one of the balls as well. I just rinsed the barbecue sauce bowl. I just added a little water and rinsed the barbecue sauce out of the bowl. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. I'll mix it up again. Okay, I'm gonna place the top on it. And it is on seal at the top there, and it is on for 30 minutes. I will taste it, and then I will see if I need to add any sea salt. The barbecue sauce has salt in it, so I'm going to taste it after it's cooked to see if I need to add any more salt. Okay, just took the top off of it. You got it on slow cook right now. And it's almost ready. I'm gonna break up a little more of the chicken, and I'll let you see that then. Look how great this barbecue looks. I mean, it's so tender. It's just breaking up with the spoon here. And I'm gonna taste it. I'll let you see me taste it. Okay, and then later I'm gonna put it on one of the low carb wraps. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. trying to get some. It looks delicious. Ooh, and it's. Mmm. 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 That is so good. These are the low-carb tortillas I'm going to use today. I purchased these at Aldi, so you got to try this recipe. It is delicious. I'm going to add a little cheese to this tortilla. I didn't have to add any salt to it. It was just perfect. Okay, there it is. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe, comment, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.